WA, it is now summer. That means there's a lot of backyard cricket and outdoor entertaining with your family and friends. There's lots to do in your garden. Here is some ideas what you can do in December. First up, there's lots to plant in your garden. Poinsettias are a great option for this time of year. They're nice and colourful, especially for the festive season, and they make a great table setting. Indoors, poinsettias need at least 6 hours of indirect light. Don't overwater. Once the flowers are done, prune back and plant into a bigger pot or in the garden in a sheltered position, so it will flower again next year. Bougainvilleas are good to plant now as well. They're a great asset to the garden with their nice, colourful flowers. They are hardy, will tolerate dry conditions and pack a punch with brilliantly coloured flowers. There are dwarf varieties that do well in pots too. Woolly bush is a top native to put in now as well, and no garden should be without citrus. Plant in a garden or in a pot. If you're not too sure what to plant in your garden, come in and see one of our garden experts at your local Bunnings store and we can give you a hand. Don't forget your veggie patch. It's a great time of the year to put your vegetables and herbs in. Plant basil, thyme, chives, dill and rosemary. These are all good options in a nice sunny spot. Plant carrot and beetroot seed directly into the garden and plant chilies in the full sun. Watch out for the really hot sun on your cucumbers. If you haven't already, put in zucchinis too, but remember, they are prolific bearers, so don't overdo it. This month, there's an amazing selection of fruit and veggies that you can pick in your garden. These include eggplant, capsicum, rockmelon and watermelon, tomatoes, broccoli, basil and cabbage. There is lots of maintenance to do in your garden in December here in WA. Here are a few ideas. Give your pot plants some love. Repot with a good quality potting mix and mulch to protect from the heat. Look after the soil. Add wetting agents as part of a regular maintenance program before the summer heat. This will help stop the soil from drying out. Water in the early morning before it gets hot. It will keep your garden hydrated for longer and reduce the risk of fungal disease. So there you go. Lots of inspiring ideas for your garden. Get out there this weekend. And of course, come in and see one of our expert team members at your local Bunnings store and have a look at the great plants we've got on offer. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to our website.